Hello friends, you are watching GATE Helpline, and in this video we'll see GATE 2021 CS set number 2 question paper. So friends, question number 6 says, consider the following statements S1 and S2 about the relational data model. S1, a relation schema can have at most one foreign key. S2, a foreign key in a relation schema R cannot be used to refer to tuples of R. Which one of the following choices is correct? So friends, यहाँ पर हमें दो चॉइस दी गई हैं S1 and S2 और हमसे पूछा गया है इनमें से कौन सी चॉइस करेक्ट है और हमारे पास ऑप्शंस हैं A, B, C, D. सो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये सेम क्वेश्चन पेपर अलॉन्ग विद द ऑफिशियल आंसर कीज डाउनलोड करना है सो लिंक हमने वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है, आप वहाँ से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. और अगर आपको जानना है कि आप किसी भी पर्टिकुलर ब्रांच के ऑफिशियल क्वेश्चन पेपर और आंसर कीज को कैसे डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं सो हमने इस वीडियो के टॉप राइट कॉर्नर के ऊपर लिंक दिया है, आप उसे क्लिक करके चेक कर सकते हैं. सो फ्रेंड्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट द एक्सप्लेनेशन. सो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज द डैशबोर्ड सेक्शन where we'll see the explanation. So friends, we had already copied the statements for you just to save some time. So friends, statement S1 is a relation schema can have at most one foreign key. So what is foreign key? Foreign key is used as a referential key, means it actually used to connect one table to the another table and helps us in searching. So friends, suppose we have three particular tables or schemas, which is payroll, employee and department. Okay, so employee table is having a primary key as employee ID. Same way, department is having department ID, okay, DID. So in payroll, if we want to know which particular employee is from which table and what is the payroll of it, then how you can search it. So for that, we will be having employee ID and department ID as a foreign key in payroll table. So which employee is from which particular department we can see from the payroll table. So here, if you see, we are having two foreign keys here. So statement 1, that is a relation schema can have at most one foreign key, is false because it don't satisfy this particular scenario. So friends, the conclusion is a particular schema or a relation schema can have more than one foreign keys. So statement 1 is false. Next statement is, that is S2, a foreign key in a relational schema R cannot be used to refer to tuples of R. That means a particular foreign key जो कि एक relation schema R में है, so हम उसे use नहीं कर सकते to refer to the tuples of R. मतलब रेफर करना मतलब सर्च करने के लिए. तो सपोज हमारे पास एक पर्टिकुलर एम्प्लॉय टेबल है. अब उस एम्प्लॉय टेबल के अंदर अगर हमें सर्च करना है तो हम उस पर्टिकुलर फॉरेन की के थ्रू सर्च नहीं कर सकते. दिस इज व्हाट इज सेड इन स्टेटमेंट 2. बट फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग बिकॉज इफ यू सी, सपोज वी हैव अ पर्टिकुलर एम्प्लॉय टेबल. ओके, विल टेक दिस टेबल फॉर एक्सप्लेनिंग S2. ओके, सो इन दिस टेबल, suppose this is a self-referencing table, that is this employee table is having one more column, that is MID, or you can call as manager ID. Okay, suppose we have a manager ID because every employee is associated with some manager, right? तो अगर एक एम्प्लॉय किसी पर्टिकुलर मैनेजर को रिपोर्ट करता है तो हमें उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन भी सपोज अगर इस पर्टिकुलर स्कीमा में स्टोर करनी है तो क्या होगा, दिस एम्प्लॉय आईडी विल बी रेफरेंसिंग टू दिस MID, दैट इज अ मैनेजर आईडी, बट दिस मैनेजर इज ऑल्सो ए एम्प्लॉय, राइट, ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर कंपनी or a particular organization. So this will be a self-referencing schema, and in case of self-referencing schema, this MID will react as a foreign key here. Okay, so the foreign key of this schema cannot be used to refer tuples of R is false. So statement S1 and S2 both are false. So friends, now we'll just quickly go and check which option satisfies this. So friends, in question option D, that is both S1 and S2 are false, is the correct answer. So we'll just write answer to this is option D. Okay, and we'll quickly go and check into the answer keys as well. So for question number 6, answer is option D. So friends, this is the explanation to this question. If you have any doubt or question, please comment below this video. So friends, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in another video.